This is Mr. Islam Yusuf. Our lesson today about writing the equation in standard and point slope form. And in this tutorial we'll know how to write the linear equation in standard form, how to write the linear equation in point slope form. We will start with the standard form. The standard form written as ax plus by equals c. But we have some rules to write the standard form. Number 1. A must be more than or equal to 0. We can't write a as a negative number. Number 2. A and b not equal to 0 at the same time. We can say that 0x and 0y. If a equals 0, then b is not equal to 0. If b equals 0, then a is not equal to 0. Number 3. A and b and c must be integer numbers. It can't be decimal and it can't be fraction. The last one. The highest common factor between a and b and c must be equals to 1. It means that we can simplify the expression. For example, we can say that 4x minus 6y is equals to 8. Because we can divide all of the equation by 2 to simplify it to be 2x minus 3y is equals to 4. So the first one not written in the standard form, but the second one is written in standard form. In this problem we have a group of 48 people. Is traveling in a small and or large van. It means we have two different vans. The small van can hold only 8 people and the large one can hold 12 people. If the total number of people that we have 48. Now we need to write the equation in a standard form that models the number of small and large vans that your class could use. For the first one, let the small van is x and let the large one is y. So the small van can hold 8. It means 8 multiplied by the number of small vans. Plus, let the second one is y, so it will be 12 multiplied by the number of y, the large van, to make the total is equal to 48. That is the total number of people who will use the vans. Now we need to use the intercept to graph. The intercept, it means we need to use the x-intercept and y-intercept. To find y-intercept, let x is equal to 0. To find the x-intercept, let y is equal to 0, as we said before. So if x equals 0, it means we have 12, y is equal to 48. If y equals 0, it means 8x is equal to 48. So divided by 12 for the first one, it means y is equal to 4. Divided by 8, it means x is equal to 6. So the ordered pair of the first one will be 0 and 4. The ordered pair for the second one will be 6 and 0. It takes two large vans. How many small vans will they need? As we said, the equation now will be 8 multiplied by the small vans plus 12 multiplied by the large is equal to 48. If the large is equal to 2, it means replace y with 2. And we need to find the number of small. So 8x plus 12 times 2 is equal to 48. Then 8x plus 24 equals to 48. By subtracting 24, then 8x is equal to 24. Divided by 8, then x is equal to 3. Then we need 3 small vans. The third form of the linear equation is called point-slope form. In point-slope form, as we know that the point is x1 and y1, with a slope equals to m. So the equation in point-slope form defined by y minus y1 is equals to m times x minus x1. And this form is called point-slope form. Write an equation in a point-slope form for the line that passing through the point 3 and the negative 2 with a slope equal to 1 over 4. Then graph the equation. Number 1, I have to define the given. The given that we have, which is point 3 and the negative 2, with a slope equals to 1 over 4. From the point we can find x1, which equal to 3, and y1, which equals to negative 2. So the equation that we use, which is y minus y1, equals m multiplied by x minus x1. And that is the point-slope form. By substitution, so we can say that y minus negative 2, it will be plus 2, equals m, which is 1 over 4, times x minus x1, which is 3. So the equation in point-slope form, which is y plus 2, equals to 1 over 4 times x minus 3. Now we need to graph. We will start from the point that we have, which is 3 and negative 2. That's 3 and negative 2, so that's the place of the point. To graph the second point, we'll use the slope. The slope is 1 over 4. It means it's going up 1 unit, then going to the right 4 units. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's at the second point. So for any 2 points, there is exactly one line passing through them. So we can draw the line which is passing through the 2 points. So that's the graph of the line which is passing through the point 3 and negative 2 with a slope equal to 1 over 4.